one-person era of founders begins. And honestly, I believe in it. I think anyone watching this can start a business right now. But the second you bring up actually getting rich, everyone say the same things. Money makes money. And without capital, you can't even start. Here's where I see it differently. In this era, beyond the capital, there is a new kind of leverage, and almost no one building solo is actually using it. So, let me show you what leverage really is. It's a structure that creates a result far bigger than your own effort, and it breaks into three kinds. To see why the third one changes everything, we have to start with the oldest one of all. Labor is the oldest thing in human history. And if you ask almost anyone what the path to success looks like, this is what they point to. Grind harder, put in the hours, outwork everyone in the room. Labor is actually the least efficient lever in the modern business. Think about what it really takes to use it. You're managing people who run on emotions. Leading them well demands a real skill. The kind of leadership, relentless motivation that most of us have never been trained for. The hidden cost is enormous. Every hour you spend on motivation is an hour not spent building a product. And look, next is the capital. Almost everybody talk that capital is the most important to building startups and building business. Money is clean, numerical, you don't have to manage its feeling, you just deploy it. You convert capital directly into labor, infrastructure and distribution. If labor is chaotic and human, capital is a lever you can actually calculate. That makes it far better than labor for exactly that reason. But here's the fatal problem. To use capital, you already need a large pile of it. You can see the door, but the price of entry is holding the keys you don't have yet. For almost everyone watching this right now, capital is locked. It requires being rich to start. Code and media. That's the third one. And it's the only one that needs neither money nor people to start. Every billionaire who rewrote the map of wealth showed up holding these two. Mark Zuckerberg, Jeff Bezos, Mr. Beast, no one of them missing technology and influence, combined building something that compounds without permission. Here is why it's different from everything above. 5 things. First, it's not linear. Put 1 unit of effort in and you don't get 1 unit back. 1 right attempt, 1 piece of software, 1 video, 1 idea that catches can produce thousands of times the value. The ratio doesn't exist in labor. Second, it works while you sleep. The code engineers and AI agents that we use to build our startup for marketing analytics are working when we sleep. The video you published last month is still finding new viewers tonight. You're not there, it does not care. Third, it's not require a lot amount of permissions. You don't need to have a certificates, approval or bank account. Fourth, it's zero marginal cost of replication. A digital product costs essentially the same whether 1 person or 1 million people take it today. Now AI just collapsed the cost of building in code and media further than ever. That sounds like pure good news, it mostly is, but there's a sharpening here of worth holding on to. Getting better at prompting alone makes you replicable. The AI gets better at not needing the prompts. The bottleneck moved, it's no longer can you make it, it's taste and knowing what's worth making. Notion started as one flimsy memo page. Just one feature. They tested the reaction first, and only after it, they built the entire system. And that's a real model. Code and media needs no money and no team to start. That's the leverage the title is promised. Start here. What can you be even slightly ahead of others at? What field pulls you in so deep you lose track of time? Don't answer that romantically, answer it coldly. Then ask whatever a real demand for it exists. Not assumed demand, actual signal. Like you can make a marketing campaign in Facebook ads to test if people are really interested in it. The only way through the uncertainty is small bets, low-cost attempts. I got obsessed with business, marketing, branding, and started this channel. The reaction was not great. I'm redeveloping and I create iteration framework. It's like a framework that uses it for building a SpaceX, but I keep going and The reason in this, like failure costs essentially nothing here. Every miss is data, a safe point, it tells you exactly what to fix next. With capital, one failure can wipe you out completely. With code and media, it's just a point you 1 degree closer to think that works. Try to dig into yourself, try to find ideas and fields that you're interested in the most. Try to make small bets, to make little risks, to invest some money in your future, and the same point you will feel it. This will actually work for solopreneurs in the next 5 years. With vibe coding and internet marketing development, we will have in 5 years a lot of small companies, and all of these companies will have demand to different services. So you should start to think which service you can provide to them and create it. I hope you like this video, so paste the like and subscribe.